So, what are you using?
One of those Bigfoot fire starters, along with the Fiberlight ferro rod and striker whistle.
Is that the one that you got as a present?
Yeah, watch out for Nova. So let's see if we can get this strike up the first try. Nope. Okay, I guess I got too much in the way.
It's also 100% humidity, you know. The humidity, I read the weather report and I was like, what?
Alright, I guess I gotta fluff it a little more. Let's try that. There we go.
There you go. Just needed to be fluffed.
That's good. So let's see if that's enough to get this little fire going.
What's Daddy doing? Huh? What's Daddy doing? Why are you eating leaves? Eat your dinner.
So the peach stuff is on its way.
Ooh, is that birch?
Yeah, there was a piece of birch in there. I stripped off most of the bark for later.
They gave us some good wood, huh?
Yeah, but I got all the
Got your shovel.
I got most of the birch stashed away in a bag already. Didn't want to use that for this, but
In your tinder bundle.
just in the bag right now.
You both got the same food. You don't have to smell each other's breath.
Nova, go ahead, eat your topper. Eat your topper. He's my good boy. You hungry puppy? Go ahead, eat your topper.
For some reason, these dogs will not eat camping. Billy won't eat at all.
Yes, my good boy.
Never would.
Huh? Yes, my good boy. Yes, he is. Yes, my good boy. Go ahead. Eat your topper. Eat your topper. Yes, my good boy. How about you? Are you a hungry puppy? Are you a hungry puppy? Oh, my Bevo. Bevo, come here. Come here. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Alright. Get out of paw. Alright. Get my hungry puppy. Get my hungry puppy. Yes, he is. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Go ahead. Get your topper. Come on. You're a hungry puppy. Yes, you are.
He wouldn't even eat the beef jerky. He wouldn't eat a dog bone. Here's our little setup. Isn't this cute?
Oh, and there it goes.
Oh, and the fire's going. We just need to get our supper ready. So we have Protein Crunch Smart Mix, Goldfish Crisps, Werther's Original Pumpkin Spice, and some, I don't know what those are, but they were on sale.
Go ahead. You're a chopper, my Bevo. Eel chopper.
Ooh, the sun's doing something weird. What time is it now?
10 minutes to 6.
Wow. All right, Mama's hungry. What you eating?
Creamy chili soup.
Ooh. Yum yum.
Like a can of chili. A couple big spoonfuls of sour cream and like 4 slices of cheddar cheese.
Wow. We're having hot dogs and beans. And
Put some water in the bottom of the pot to keep the chili from sticking.
Alfredo. This is our dessert list. And the fire's going. And the dogs haven't eaten. Let's see after. Oh, look, poor Billy.
Billy built himself a nest.
Yeah.
Oh, poor Billy.
Billy. Billy.
He's got an insulated blanket over here.
Billy.
He'll be over there.
Yeah, his blanket's down on the ground over here.
It's
Isn't
right
it?
next. Yeah, it's right here next to me. And he was there for the longest time.
Yeah, but he likes the leaves. And then Nova.
He scraped the leaves out of there.
What are you doing? What are you doing?